In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar to the side in Outlook. If you want to keep your schedule visible while you work through your emails, Outlook has a very simple feature that makes this possible. Adding the calendar to the side of your screen can help you stay organized, avoid missing meetings, and quickly check what's coming up in your day without constantly switching between different sections of the app. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're on the main screen. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top of the window for the View tab. This tab controls how different parts of Outlook appear on your screen, so that's where we'll begin. Go ahead and click View. After you do that, a set of display and layout options will appear. In this section, look for an option called My Day. This is the feature that lets you show a small panel on the side of Outlook with helpful information like your calendar and task list. Click My Day to open it. When the panel appears, you may see options related to what can be displayed there. If it's currently hidden, choose the option to show it so the side panel becomes visible. This area is designed to give you a quick snapshot of your schedule while you continue working in Outlook. Next, inside the My Day panel, click Calendar. This switches the side view to your calendar instead of other items. After that, select Day. Choosing Day makes Outlook show your daily calendar view in the side panel, which is especially useful if you want to focus on today's appointments, meetings, and time blocks in a clear and compact format. Once this is enabled, you should see your calendar displayed along the side of Outlook. That means you can read and respond to emails while also keeping track of your schedule at the same time. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in productivity, especially if you rely on Outlook throughout the day. If the panel doesn't appear right away, just double-check that you clicked My Day under the View tab, and that calendar is selected within that panel. Sometimes the panel may already be open, but set to a different view, so switching it back to Calendar and then selecting Day should solve it. And that's it! You've successfully added the calendar to the side in Outlook, making it easier to stay on top of your day while you work.